We're not even heading towards it.
Oh, okay, good. I'm gonna re-recline then.
This way. Hopefully. Because I see it over there in the distance. Okay.
Where? Oh,
Yeah.
right there.
It looks like we're actually
Oh,
getting...
wait, which one? There's two of them.
That massive one right over there. Because you see that small little one?
Left past the antenna?
Oh,
no, that one. The one
yeah.
fucking...
I think...
Yeah, no, that only just... How do you have view of that before I do?
I could just barely see the outline through everything.
I only can now. Oh my fucking fuck. God fucking.
Oh yeah, it's a massive island.
Holy shit, we're gonna be stuck here for years. I'd have to be completely sober to figure this out. Let me down another. And then we'll get there. Oh, let me slide my recline. Oh, okay. Finally, after hours of content of just fucking standing, I get to do something.
Yeah, right?
Maybe we can milk a mini gen.
You know, it's possible. But we will come across a bunch of bears. We will come across some bears.
Oh, skull.
What?
You know what me, you and Phantom could do if we all get bear masks?
Exactly.
No, I don't think you know.
Bear Force.
Yes!
That's what I said last time too, and nobody got that.
No. I didn't think about it until now. That's amazing.
It's gonna be great.
Holy shit, where did I get so much plastic?
Well, the good thing is we all have, all the materials are separated into various chests. We still need a little bit more, but I mean, at the moment, it's actually doing pretty decent.
I need more wood. But if we have, like...
the very first chest...
Plastic and 6 wood.
The very first chest has a shit ton of wood.
The very first chest has all the wood. It's got all your wood. Gotta pick it up. For Jimmy's mom. 'Cause I'm looking for the bushes. For the rat.
What is that you're looking for?
Fuck if I know now. Wood?
Oh,
This one, right over here.
Skip the daytime?
Huh?
This one right here.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that. Hey, look at the wood.
Pretty sure this one was plus.
Ooh, this one.
Yeah, and Jen, there's not exactly a skip to daytime feature.
You sleep through the night. You can't sleep till...
What the fuck do you think this is, Minecraft?
Well, it does say all players must be sleeping. So it's possible we can actually sleep through the night.
I made 2 beds.
Where are the other beds?
In my inventory.
Well, that's real fucking helpful.
Alright.
Where shall I place them?
I don't know. I don't even...
On the fucking ground.
Yeah. Put them anywhere near the other
Somewhere
beds.
not inconvenient.
Oh. Just kind of whack them down willy-nilly. I'll end up reorganizing.
How do I move it?
You press and hold X, but just sleep for now. I'll deal with that later. Oh, good shit. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna collect water, that way I have it on the trail.
Okay.
Where'd you put it? Oh, you put it up top.
It's gonna be my spot. when I'm collectively doing nothing, I could just sky
Lay
gaze.
there.
Yeah, I'll expand the top out so we can
That'll be
put
my
the.
dark spot.
I'll expand the top out so we can lay the beds up there.
Fucking thing. That's a big ass bird. And I thought I was packing heat. Fuck me.
Oh yeah, those things will drop rocks and essentially try and attack you. Oh, actually, I should probably make a new hook and a new axe before I go.
So I have it. Ooh, stuff.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, I should probably shush. Gonna ruin my brain thinking.
Yeah, need.
I have a lot
bolts
going on in
for
my brain.
scrap hooks.
So if I
Jen,
can get like,
if you want,
If you can get good,
craft up some materials to make a fishing rod, which is some planks and some rope, and do some fishing. Make shark bait, throw it out, hoo-ha, and then go down and look for metal ore.
what kind of fishing rod? I can make one of each with everything on me.
If you have a bolt, go ahead and make that the
Metal fishing rod?
Yeah, that scrap one. Because we're going to need metal ore, and you and I will go on to the island while Jen stays down here and tries to look for metal ore underneath the water.
I made an axe as well.
Oh, okay. Good shit. But I need a hook. Do you by chance have an extra bolt?
I have a bolt.
Can I have a bolt? I'm right here next
You
to
know that movie? I don't remember much about it. I think it was sad though.
It was a little bit
No,
sad,
it's actually
but it was,
pretty
then it
good.
was
Alright.
happy.
it was a little sad.
Here, I have 2 bolts.
Good shit.
I need somewhere to put all my shit. I do need to craft arrows again too.
I need scrap.
Weapons of mass destructions. I need plastic.
Scrap
This is a fucking.
and some leaves. Once we get larger chests, this will be much more organized. Okay.
Is there anything larger than the large ones that we have? Like that?
No, at the moment it's just the small storage and the regular storage. There might be a large storage, but we haven't unlocked it yet. Fucking shark. What does it take to actually make a metal spear? Another bolt and 2 metal ingots. Okay. So I'll just craft me a regular wooden spear for compensation.
Where's the fishing rod?
You have to make. Oh, well, Dylan probably made it.
I have. I'm just looking for some wood.
Okay. First chest again. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I got some water.
If I can get 3 nails, I can make you a hammock as well. We can all have a hammock.
We don't need to.
Get your fucking fishing rod.
Yeah, we don't need to deal with that now. For now, deal with
Get your fishing rod.
everything else. Yeah, where are you? Oh, you're up top.
Hey, get your fucking fishing rod.
It attacked me.
Jen, why are you fucking with the bird?
The forehead
Don't
die.
you leave the bird alone?
It looked at me funny.
Jennifer, that's a Dylan line.
Leave the forehead to drown.
Yeah. I wish we could label these freaking chests. That would be nice.
Is it though? Is it a Dylan?
Alright, I'm heading up to the island.
Hold on, let me find food and then fucking water.
Yeah.
Let me revitalize myself.
Oh, there's a fucking boar.
Okay, so there's no food?
Where's the fishing rod?
I have a turnip on me. I have a cooked turnip.
Well, there's shit cooking.
Yeah, there's some chicken on there. There's a fucking wild boar over here.
Did you go on the left or right?
I went on the, I think, right. Like if you look off, you can immediately see like some.
It's in the
land.
middle of the fucking boat on the ground. If you were paying attention the first time, you would have known.
I threw the fucking fishing rod at you while you were up top.
No, it's up top.
Oh, hello.
Oh shit.
Oh god. Motherfucker dragged me. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right?
In the ass. Got him. No?
Nope, not yet. Ooh.
Oh god.
Yeah. Fucking trail of dust. There we go.
Ooh.
He's all gone.
Oh god. He's littered with Skyrim arrows.
Dylan.
Huh. Oh, don't tell me. Well, you know what? Give it to Jen because it's the closest thing to her.
Fuck you.
You don't even know what the fuck we're talking about.
I don't need to know fucking how you tell me whatever the fuck it is.
There's a fucking ram over here. Oh, there's a.
I apologize to my viewers and that.
Okay, good shit.
Saw something hopping out in the distance.
Yeah, it's like
I just saw it on the corner. I'm
like a goat or a ram. Yeah, that thing up there.
Oh, look at you! There's something underground there. It's like a little tent.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Oh shit! I've lost you.
I'm over kind of where we were fighting that fucking boar. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this island like depletes resources.
Oh yeah.
Quickly.
Oh, there's another boar here. Oh, it's charging straight.
Eat it.
Oh god. Oh god. Ah!
Hey,
Fuck you.
off him.
Fuck you.
Off him.
Yay,
Hey.
good shit. Good shit.
Got all my arrows back. Shit, I guess arrows are like you only need to make whatever ones you need unless you're using them to shoot a shark, I guess.
Yeah, they probably have a chance to break, but oh, what's down here?
It's death.
Oh, it's yeah, kinda.
Huh.
It's a pathway down. Let's try and go up some more. Wow, my fucking spear is almost dead, almost broke. Oh yeah, this is the dirt piles that we can get if we had a shovel.
Do I? No.
No, we have to make one.
Shark again.
Like I said, make some shark bait. Hoo-ha.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, you're complaining the shark is like eating
shit.
the boat. Did you get fucking
Yeah.
pelted with a rock by the bird?
Yeah, probably. I think I dropped some though.
Oh, there's the bird. Oh yeah, I picked up a fucking rock. Oh, it don't. Ah, fuck! It don't like me. Where'd you go? Oh,
Yeah.
there you are.
I'm ready on the bow.
Yeah, the bow, the bird is mainly why we need the bow. Is for that fucking shit fuck.
For that fucking shit fuck.
Yeah. All right. How the hell?
On Skyrim, there's logic, man. Come on.
How
Like
the
that.
hell?
See? Come on.
Oh, there it goes.
Come on, I'm fucking drunk.
Oh, that bird. There it goes.
Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, motherfucker.
Red berries. Good shit.
Alright. Would you like the blueberry or the red berry? I like the one.
Oh,
that
here's
kills
the
red.
bird.
Where?
Ow! Oh god, I need heals. I need to heal. Like, if that thing hits me once more, I'm fucked.
I don't know which way it's coming from. Damn, I'm trying to work on my snapshot.
They're not poisonous. Okay. They don't do a whole lot.
I would assume it's gonna come from this way again.
Probably. It'll actually land on the ground to pick up a fucking rock. Oh god. Ah, it got me.
Like dead?
I'm incapacitated. I'm downed. You'd have to take me to a bed.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can kind of get to a safe place.
Yeah, with that fucking bird, it's a pain in the ass.
God damn.
Might need to both get bows.
Yeah, I'm out of arrows. Now I'm like one away.
Well, if you die, that means that we'd have to prey on
I don't know
Jen.
if you died though.
If you keep going down the pathway, like up across the... Oh, I hear you. It's like I heard footsteps. I'm right next to a tree on the top of the mountain.
Like on an edge?
Kind of. Like I'm on the very top of the mountain right next to a tree. Like from where we were, if you kept going straight down.
Back there.
Yeah, I'm
guarding a hill.
I'm only a few feet away from where we were.
Oh, okay, so I'm near the tree back.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. You're in the tree, kinda, for me.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. You were in the tree. Come on, buddy.
I need a hero.
You're looking in the wrong place to be. I ain't a hero. Gonna use your body as a shield for me. Cause you're a hero. I ain't dying tonight. I'll feed you to a shark in a heartbeat to save my own neck. But that's okay, cause my ass is great. Go bingo. Look at it go. Little baby got killed in the ghetto.
I love it. You need to put on an album. How's your luck with any origin? Did you find any?
Not good.
Not good as in you haven't gotten down there, or not good as in this island
Hey,
has like
Deadman,
none
shut
of
up.
it? Oh, okay.
Oh, crap.
I'm not dead, I'm just tired. I'm just sleepy.
Yeah, you're sleepy. Here, come here. Come here, fuckface. You can... Here.
It's
Wake
not
up on the
letting
drink.
me-
Oh.
Let's cook our food, refill our bottles,
Yeah.
and then wait for daytime. That was good timing to die, alright? Maybe it was a strategic retreat, eh?
Yeah, I'd say so. Oh, here oh. Oh, wait, okay. That's you.
Hey. How you doing? Got it.
It's telling me I don't have something for it.
You don't have what?
The brain cell? Sorry, I'm just gonna...
What don't you have?
What the fuck is on your head?
We call it the gen. Good.
No, it's like
Generally
it has like
speaking,
a
it's called
rope
a
with like a
board.
red X on it.
I don't know what you're going on about, Jen. It has a name. Like, it'll say that it has a name.
It didn't give me a name, it's just giving me a fucking symbol.
Okay, what is it you're trying to make?
You just open.
I'm not trying to make anything. I'm trying to go out here and search for ore. But every time I go near something, it tells me I don't have a specific thing, which it looks like a rope or a circle lasso kind of thing with a red X on it.
A hook. You need a hook. You need a hook to be able to fucking mine items underneath.
Why is that?
Jen, you can't throw it at items. You have to go up to the item and click on it. It'll act like a fucking pickaxe.
Is this one broke?
How the fuck does... Do I have the materials to create a metal thing? No, I still need I still need 2 metal ingots.
Why is this one broke?
Why
Can
is
you
that one
interact with this one?
Gotta put planks in it.
Oh, it didn't say it needed it.
if you it doesn't say that it needs it, you just got to assume. You got to fill it up.
Oh. Well, not 100% here. Here. I'll give you 1, and then you can add the 1 on there.
Okay. I got me a 3-piece fish, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I have one of those? Okay. I'll just hold on to 1 for safekeeping.
Oh, I managed to pick up one of your arrows. Vine goo, rope, and plank to make a bow. Vine goo.
God.
Rope. Goo. How much goo? 2 and 4. And some planks.
Rock. Plastic. Wood. Alright, well.
I wish I had metal ingots. I need 2 metal ingots. And we only have 1.
Well, I can tell you where one of them went.
Yeah. But I think I needed that metal ingot for something else.
Oh, wait, I have a metal ingot.
Do you?
I don't know how, but I do.
Good shit.
Put it in the wood chest.
That works.
No fucking clue how I got it. It's just straight up.
Good shit. Okay, I'll keep that one as a backup. Actually, Jen, do you have a spear?
I have 2 wood.
What's going on?
Do you have a spear? I'm asking.
Yeah?
Okay.
Why?
Because if you didn't, then I was going to give you the wooden spear that I have. Also, let me check this to make sure that this is the story fucking island.
It should be. There's
Because
complex.
okay, it is a story island, but it is not the story island we need to be at.
Good enough.
Yeah, so we could definitely hunt this place for fucking resources.
It's almost daytime.
Because this should give us a good amount of resources.
My God, go.
Okay. So, arrows, planks, stone, and plastic. Oh, that's easy. Oh, well, we don't have.
I picked up. I know where I got all that. I picked up a crate at the top of the hill.
Ah, that makes sense.
Well, makes.
I haven't got it.
Oh, that would be nice if we had more plastic. Dylan, you got any plastic on you?
The only plastic I had was just in the chest.
Got it. Ouch. Cock.
What do you need? You trying to make arrows?
Yeah.
I have 6, so 3 and 3 doesn't really help anyway. So
That's like 18, so there you go.
The plastic's like, there it is. There we go. Woo! You came nipping from my heels. Alright, Dylan, here, I'll split the arrows with you.
I got 6 of them. I should be pretty well set.
Okay.
Because you should only be able to make 18 of them.
I actually made up to 20. But I just dropped some arrows somewhere.
I got 8.
Okay.
I don't know where they were, but I collected them. So we should be all set.
Yeah, we should.
Other than the food thing, we're right.
Yeah, we should be pretty... Oh, that's not what I wanted.
What is... What was the button for the headset? Or for the headlamp?
The headlamp? I think it was just always on. Because it had a battery, so I think it was always on. You just needed...
Oh, no, I'm just an idiot. I had it in my inventory second from the top in the middle. I just put it on the one beneath it, and I'm like, strange, it's not working.
Yeah, it needs to be, like, on your head.
Yeah, it needs to be in the equip slot, which it was not.
So I'll throw all of my unneeded items in the chest. Plastic is in here. Okay. I do want to fill up on food and water before I
go. Yep. Food's pretty good. I have no food, but we should be kind of okay.
I'm gonna steal one of Jen's fish before I go because my food is decently low and I want to save this for being on the island. So I don't know which one's gonna finish first, whether it be the small... Oh, good shit, there's the small ones. Alright, I'm good to go. I'm heading out, by the way.
Yep, I'm over. I'm semi behind.
Yeah. The boar hasn't respawned yet.
That bird's still hovering.
Yeah. If we could take out that bird, we'll be
feathers.
Decent.
I don't think we'll be able to take pot shots at it until we're like mid-mountain.
If we can get it to land, we should be good.
Oh! Oh, you fuck!
Oh, is it attacking you? Oh, there it is.
It dropped the fucking rock on me.
Yeah. It's heading down to pick up a rock. Hit it. It tried to hit a rock at me.
Alright, I'm up on the hill where we last time. I'm here. I don't see it.
It's over near where I am. Oh, I missed it. Oh, it hit me.
Oh, I see you. You're semi away.
Yeah, I'm down a bit. I'm heading up to, oh, it's right where it... No, don't hit me. Okay. There's the fucking bird. It should be landing. Where'd it land? Where'd it land?
It goes straight down, more or less.
Because it'll go to just basic land, but that time it went... Oh, there you are. There it is. And there it landed. Oh, wow, it's a fucking drop on that arrow. God damn it. Where'd it go? Oh, above me.
It's above us.
Where the hell did it go again? Oh, there it is.
It's
and
going
straight down. I'm not going after that. It can come to me if it wants a fair fight. Oh.
Fuck me, I'm about to die. I'm one away.
Alright. You should find cover to heal.
It's behind us.
Yep. Ooh, I got 2 in it.
It dropped it.
Yeah, land nearby. Yeah, good shit. Oh, that was a little over. God damn it, that was under. Can't with this fucking arrow.
I think it's caught on me, kind of.
That's what it looks like, but it looks like as you're under, as long as you're under that, you should be safe to heal up.
Yep.
Oh, that
Sounds.
Land, you big dick. Big feathery dick. God damn it.
I don't know where it is.
I got another hit on it. Oh,
What
now,
does the aura look like?
now it's after me,
exactly?
and I'm out of ammo. It looks like a rock, but it's shiny. That's all I can give you on that.
Fuck. That hurt.
Oh, I hit it. Oh, a good shit arrow. There it is. He's so close. Oh, now he's after you. Yep.
Sharks.
I fucking lost it.
It's over here near me. It went back down to this section. God damn, this thing fucking...
I'm out of arrows.
I'm like one hit. I need to get under cover. Oh, God.
It doesn't look like the shark fell for the bait. But I have like
You need to wait. You need to wait for it to actually bite the bait before you go out after it, or it will not go for the bait at all.
Like, I threw it out earlier, though, so it should have went after
Well,
it.
it'll take a while for the shark to go after it, but it will go after it. You just need to wait for it to attack the bait before you do anything. Come on, land nearby. Land nearby. Yeah.
It did. Got it.
Oh, bastard.
Oh, no, wait. What's it doing? It's having a seizure.
It left to pick up a different rock. Okay, it's after you. It's above me. And it's...
It looks like it's going down the hill. No? Yeah, it's going down the hill.
Regenning. Barely past my bar. Oh, it's coming back up. Drop the rock.
It hit me.
And down the hill. How far? Jeez.
Jesus Christ, that thing's obnoxious.
Oh, there it is. Oh, hey, look, an arrow. Woo! Drop nearby, drop nearby. Yeah, kind of nearby. Can I hit it? I hit it! Oh, I fucking killed it!
Got it! Fuck yeah.
Where'd it go? All the way down in the water. I'm going after it.
Yep, I was gonna say.
This bitch ain't fucking leaving that easy.
Viva la revolution.
Good shit. Good shit.
Skull.
You got the fucking head?
Yes.
Fuck.